Required to find the value of angle beta. Label O and angle alpha. From triangle AOC, use cosine rule and substitute values. We have that the square of line AC equals the sum of 4 and the square root of 3. Find the square root of the equation. Thus the length of line AC equals the square root of the sum of 4 and the square root of 3. In the same triangle, we use sine rule. Line AC divided by sine 120 degrees equals line OC divided by sine alpha. Substitute values. It implies that the square root of the sum of 4 and the square root of 3 all divided by sine 120 degrees equals 1 divided by sine alpha. But sine 120 degrees equals the square root of 3 divided by 2. We obtained an equation for the sine alpha as shown on the screen. Then, take the sine inverse of the equation. After substitution of values and simplification, it means that alpha equals to 21.2060231113 degrees. We call this result equation 1. Consider triangle ABC. Line BC divided by line AC equals sine A. Substitute value and we have that sine A equals the square root of 2 divided by the square root of the sum of 4 and the square root of 3. Take sine inverse of the equation. It implies that, after simplification, A equals 36.2060231113 degrees. But angle A equals the sum of alpha and beta. Substitute value of alpha from equation 1 and we have that A equals 36.2060231113 degrees, which equals the sum of 21.2060231113 degrees and beta. It signify that beta equals 36.2060231113 degrees minus 21.2060231113 degrees, which equals to 15 degrees. Therefore, the required value of angle beta is 15 degrees.